Screech!
Alright faggots, let's go.
Are we finally there?
Did you drive far enough away for nobody to hear you sodomizing us?
I told you dumb motherfuckers that was next week. Today we're at the canyon. Get the fuck out of the car.
God damn
Fuck you, Dad.
Suck.
No. Give me that. Bitch.
I almost came on that. Fuck you, Dad.
Look, ladies, there's an echo canyon.
Fuck me till I'm yellow.
Lisa, I dare you to yell into the canyon that you're a horny yellow sausage. Out of my way. I'm a horny yellow hairy ass sausage.
Lisa.
Suck. Fuck you, Dad.
Or.
Whoa. Oh shit.
Crackle, crackle, crackle. Crackle, crackle. Crash. Slam.
Ah.
Smash. Kaboom. Phew. You goddamn son of a bitch, I'm gonna fuck you up. I'm gonna spank your ass so hard and make your penis spurt out yellow jello. Get back here, you fuck face.
This place is boring. Let's look at some dicks. It's like you read my fucking mind.